In this video, we're going to control a lock with the HomeTroller Zee. The first thing to do is to connect the Zee to your router. Go ahead and plug in the Z stick and then add the power cable. It takes approximately 1 minute and 45 seconds to 2 minutes for the HomeTroller Zee to boot. Go ahead and wait for that process to finish and then access the web interface. On the web interface, go to the Plugins menu, drop down to Z-Wave and select Controller Management. On the Controller Management page, expand the controller and open up the Actions menu. Select Remove or Exclude a Node and click the Start button. Go to the door lock now, remove the cover, and find the Network button. On a quick set lock, it's going to be the B button as shown in the video here. Back in the web interface, you'll see that the log goes through a number of steps. When it's finished, you want to change the Actions menu to Add or Include a Node and click Start again. Go back to the quick set lock, press the B button, and wait for the inclusion process to complete. Now, in most cases, this process may take anywhere from 40 seconds to perhaps a minute. We're speeding things up here a little bit in the video in the interest of time. At the end of this process, it'll say it's finished with the replication. Go ahead and close the log window. Then navigate back to the home page. On the home page, you're going to find all of the devices that were created for the door lock. Find the one that locks and unlocks the door and click the lock button. As you can see, the lock works perfectly fine. Go back and click the unlock button just to double check and make sure everything's communicating the right way. And that's all there is to it.